Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link PayPal to Bank of America checking account step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once logged in, locate the wallet option in the top menu and click on it. In the wallet section, find the option to link a bank account and click on it. Select United States from the drop-down menu if prompted. Choose Bank of America from the list of banks or enter the bank's name in the search bar. Click on Continue to proceed. Now, enter your Bank of America checking account details. Fill in your account number and the routing number for your Bank of America account. You can find your routing number at the bottom left corner of your checks, or by checking your Bank of America online account. Once you've entered the required information, click on Agree and Link. PayPal may ask you to verify your bank account. Follow any prompts to complete the verification process. This may involve PayPal making small deposits into your bank account. Check your Bank of America account for these deposits within 1 to 3 business days. Once you see the deposits, return to PayPal and log in. Navigate back to the wallet section. Click on your linked Bank of America account. You will be prompted to enter the amounts of the deposits to confirm your account. Enter the amounts exactly as they appeared in your bank account. Click on Confirm. You should now see a confirmation that your Bank of America checking account is linked to your PayPal account. You can now use your Bank of America account to send or receive money through PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.